Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need a baseline now. Run a speed test on a wired device and note download, upload, and latency in MS. Once done, power cycle both modem and router, unplug for 30 seconds, then restart so both negotiate fresh links. Next, plug your main device straight into the modem or router with Ethernet to eliminate wireless interference. This separates ISP issues from Wi-Fi problems. Make sure firmware updates are allowed, if available. Apply them before changing other settings, so you start from a stable state. Now refine the wireless environment. Position the router high and central, away from microwaves, thick walls, and metal surfaces so signals propagate evenly. Then switch bands wisely, choose 5 GHz for devices nearby and 4 GHz for those farther away. Once done, scan and lock a less crowded channel to reduce retries. Make sure to enable Co-S and prioritize video conference or gaming traffic so latency drops. Finally, change DNS to a fast resolver such as 1.1.1.1. Finish by securing and validating the setup. Set WPA2 or WPA3 with a strong passphrase, disable WPS, and create a guest network for visitors to reduce broadcast load. Then run final speed tests wired and wireless, comparing results to your plan so you know whether you're getting expected 100 Mbps or a percentage of that. If speeds remain poor, reboot once more, swap Ethernet cables and ports, check modem logs for errors, and if needed, contact your ISP with test timestamps. One key troubleshooting tip: document tests before calling support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.